Yo, what's up everybody? Danielsanerd here, standing outside the Nintendo store on grand opening day. My reservation is until 3:30, so I could come back and walk around for 2 hours. But I'm excited, can't wait to go inside the Nintendo store and buy a bunch of nerdy shit. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, we're in Union Square. I have 2 hours to kill before our time for the Nintendo store. It's at 3:30. It's only 1:15 right now. But anyways, it's a beautiful day in San Francisco. It's really nice out today. Perfect day to be outside. And there's a lot of people out doing stuff. Gorgeous day in SF. So like I said, we have a little time before our reservation, so we're gonna go check out the Macy's and the stores around it. All right, well, it's almost 3:30. It's time for my pass, my warp pass, but it looks like it's still going to be a while anyways. A very, very long line. Thank you. Hey, thank you so much. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm in the Nintendo store. I've been to the Japan ones and now I finally made it to my own backyard one, San Francisco. I can't believe it. Little buddy, grew up with you. Keep it open, keep it open. Show the audience. Ooh, nice. That's totally what your sister would wear. A nice comfy one. So much cute Kirby stuff. I love this one where he's Link. So cute. Yeah, it's gonna get dirty quick and it'll get ripped. Our dog will rip him up. But he's so cute. That's a cute shirt. That long sleeve. So, let's recap. We've been to Tokyo's Nintendo store, Osaka's Nintendo store, and Kyoto's Nintendo store. And now we're in San Francisco. Only one more Nintendo store to go, and that's New York. But anyways, this is really nice. This is a 2-story floor up, floor on the main level and then a basement level. And this is the basement level. So you got Zelda in the corner over there. You got Pinkman over here. You got the Pokemon Center in this corner over here. All the Pokemon stuff. You got the Nintendo Switch and Amiibo section over there. You got a lot of demos that you're able to play. And even games, the controllers or the systems themselves are right there too. Look at this massive screen. And that's the escalator to go up and down between the 2 floors. Nothing to the left or the right. Very cool. Very cool. Super happy, super excited to be here. I am very shocked and surprised that I was able to make the grand opening.
Except I'm buying a sweater that's not even
So many amiibos. That is a cute apron. Let's eat. That Team Rocket sweater is super cool. Oh, Charmander. Charmander, Charmeleon, Slowpoke, and the best looking Pikachu I've ever seen. Oh my god. I must have you. Yep, it's coming home with me. My wife's not gonna like me adding more things to her bag. Add to the bag, please. Okay, I'm gonna go check out the Zelda section again. What's up, Link? Playing cards? Oh no, they're no. I assumed they were playing cards.
Want to check in? Oh, you're all set. Just show that to the camera for me there. Oh, let's try that again. Yeah, show it to the camera again. And you're all set. Perfect. Here's your little sticker set.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
All right. Now let's go back upstairs to do one more round, and then I guess I am satisfied. I think I got enough stuff. Going back upstairs to take one more look around just to make sure there's nothing I missed, nothing I didn't already see. So I'm pretty much shopped out. We got a couple shirts, a couple sweaters, some plushies, I think a few keychains. Yeah, we got quite a bit of stuff. Here's the outside, all the people outside looking in, and I'm on the inside, yay! I got so lucky. So I woke up early on that day to reserve a pass for this place. Oh, the Mario Kart gear. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, they're all jackets. Oh, shirt. Shirt's kind of nice. Like a racing shirt. The hat I definitely like. The tire too. Very cool. The tire water bottle. This is like a very thin material. It'd be very cold to wear this right now. The sweater is kind of nice though. Red and white though, it's like super, stands out too much for my taste. Still very cool. He's a little penguin. I can't believe I made it at the grand opening of the Nintendo store in San Francisco's Union Square. I'm Daniel, I'm a nerd, Danielsanerd. Like and subscribe for more nerd content like this. Me and my wife got matching one of those. Did you see these? How funny, it's like Mario's denim overalls. Right? There's a matching satchel. Those are cute jewelries. You like Wario, huh? I thought this was pretty funny. They put this sweater, normal size sweater, in this big ass tube right here. That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, just finished our browsing. We bought a bunch of stuff. Now we're just waiting in line to pay for it. And then we'll do, I guess, a Nintendo store haul when we get home.
Yeah.
That one's super cool. I had to get it. Yep, I did see it. It's super nice.
You spend more than $50, you get the points.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Oh, nice. Oh, very cool. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Appreciate it. Take it easy. And that's how you spend $400 in under an hour. Done and done. Boom. You know how hard it is to get in here? Don't just take off. Let's get one more picture with him. We just finished our successful shopping at the Nintendo store grand opening. What a great grand opening. We missed out on the free, they had like a banner that they were giving out for the grand opening, and we missed out on it. My scheduled time was 3:30, and that's what time we came, and they were already way gone by then, so that's a shame. The sun is setting on this beautiful day.